Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing a lipstick demo again for you guys. This is by Tarte. This is called Cabana Boy. I have more of a purpley eye on today, so I grabbed this Cabana Boy, and if you see, it looks like a purplish mauve. So let's go ahead and see if it complements my skin complexion and this look and how it feels. So this is a mini size. It came in one of the collections that I got. It actually is very pigmented and very smooth because you guys can see it's just going on. It's like gliding on. This is such a beautiful color. And I think it's perfect for this eye color. What do you guys think? It is very much like what you would think of mauve. Like the perfect pink mauve. Let's see if it matches. So if you think if you think perfect pink mauve, think perfect purple mauve when you think of this color. It feels good on the lips. I like it. Not drying, hydrating, and it's a beautiful color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny 1-minute lipstick demo. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. I don't know why I'm tripping on my words today. That subscribe button and that tiny little bell next to it. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.